So ladies and gentlemen, right now, me there, and today's video is gonna be something, wanna see me do it already, wanna see me turn my girlfriend into an artist in 24 hours. Remember the video there? Today, I am about to turn me Ediat white girl. Today, me about to turn me Ediat white girl into an artist in 24 hours. She upstairs right now, I get ready. So what me I gonna do is me have everything set up already. So all me need to do now I find a rhythm and then we go on from this. So me I go look at rhythm and when she forward down, if she like that, then we go from this. So mad move. So alright, right now there and me I record today. So I won't need this. Put that over this. So what me I do now, me up on YouTube and me I try find a good beat. I don't know, camera angle, computer setup weird. Me I try see if I can find a bad beat. No, me not like the one there. The one there, no, that's not it. And what is? Shouldn't ready yet. Yo, when you are forward, bring the vlog camera so you can use the vlog camera vlog while me dey on my phone. Cause what me I go do people is me soon talk to you, but me I make sure you use the vlog camera and me use my phone. Yeah, they reading me a sound bad, you know. Yeah, this have a kick to it.
So guys, today Famous is going to turn me into an artist in 24 hours. That's the video we are doing today. I don't know how this is going to go, but he's downstairs, so let's go see what he's doing. I have no clue how this is going to go, guys. Babe, that's the rhythm you're going to use?
How you not like it?
No, I like it, you can use it. So hold on, who is going to write the song?
Wait, hold on. Before, remember me that tell you before, me just gonna use the phone, so me I gonna use the phone video and me gonna make she use the camera video and me just put them together, splice it up, lice it up and fix it up, need phone. You know what I mean? Yes or no?
Who is going to write the song?
Yo, me can help you write it, you know.
How about you write the song and then if I like it, I sing it.
No. The two we have to write it. The two we can come up with it.
Okay, it's no problem.
Alright, what me I gonna do, me I go and play the beat and we just see what we can come up with if we can come up with nothing. Put the mic closer to you. Put up the mic closer to you. Yeah. Nothing not come to your brain yet.
My brain? Babe, I'm still trying to process everything.
So right now, we do a little something. What me I gonna do? Me I make you do it line by line, alright? Me I go make sure do it line by line and we see where we go from there.
Play it again, babe, play it again. I missed the part where I'm supposed to come in. Play it again.
Yeah, you hear it in the headphone or you want me to turn it up?
Yeah, turn it down a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. It's okay, but turn it down a little. I'm nervous, guys.
So right now, ladies and gentlemen, water break. You know what I mean? It never take with too long. She over there so tired out. But we still have more to go. Yo, play a precise song. Play a precise song with them here. But record it to the camera so we can add it to the video. Shall I play a precise song for you now?
Babe, why you couldn't come around and just play it for them? He's so lazy, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna play it. So this song is officially done, and I'm gonna play a part of it for you guys, okay? See, I've been waiting for you, baby, cause your love you got me crazy. Waiting for you, baby. I can't believe this is me. You like crazy. Waiting for you, baby. believe this is me, no babe. Oh my God, I did so good. So ladies and gentlemen, we just done officially shoot everything liquid. You know what I mean? Video done, song done, everything done. And that is a one every day in my phone. I'm on Instagram. Love Instagram? I don't. True, always up on Instagram. But yo, you enjoy yourself today, have fun? It was a nice fun day. See? Definitely. It definitely was a nice little fun day today. And as me say everything done, we just have a stop chat right now and just post the video because we done with the music video. So me I gotta just play it right now. Yo, just do me tell you for do. Just lay your vocals just for myself to do it. Alright? Babe, so this mean I'm Beyonce? Oh my. I'm ready. See, I've been waiting for you, baby. Cause your love, it got me crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause I'm missing you like crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause your love, it got me crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause I'm missing you like crazy. Love when you chase me. You cannot catch me. Love when you chase me. You cannot catch me. I'm so feisty. And I'm hot like tasty. Baby, you mad or no? Just let me know. Yo, you know me really know I'm my fault this. The first time you call, the call they shoulda miss. Damn, now me I reminisce. Babe, you can go and talk, you can send her this. But if you diss me can send her this. Me no thump in no face, me no do no face. I fight you really want me fight a girl. Why the hell me never really look a whiter girl? A whiter girl you coulda never get stupid. Even if she get shoot by Cupid. Oh, shut up. You just a chat, my girl, just shut up. Oh no, it's my mouth, I can say what I want. You're not my mom, you can't tell me when to talk. Yeah, get me angry girl and make me dark. Just finish the song and stop talk. See, I've been waiting for you, baby. Cause your love, it got me crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause I'm missing you like crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause your love, it got me crazy. Waiting for you, baby. Cause I'm missing you like crazy. Love when you chase me. You cannot catch me. Love when you chase me. You cannot catch me. I'm so feisty. And I'm hot like tasty.